So I'm going to show you how to install YouTube Kids on your Galaxy Tab A11. So what you need to do is simply go to the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store, just go to the search function and type there YouTube Kids. And hit the search button. From the results, you will see YouTube Kids. You can go ahead and install that app. Now this is separate from the main YouTube app, and this one has tons and tons of kids content. So you can open YouTube Kids from here. There you go. So there is YouTube Kids for you. You can sign in with a parent's account and just enjoy YouTube Kids. So that is basically how to install YouTube Kids. Now, different people want to set it up differently. So once you go past the security question, you can now choose the age of your kid and then hit select, and then you can have the feature tour, notice to parents, you can read all that, and then I agree, and there is YouTube Kids for you. Okay, so that's how to get YouTube Kids on your Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.